let's start now. Last week, what we have done is basically, I think we did the mail merge part, but we have some other stuff to complete, like the column layout. As a header footer, we have already done the picture formatting. A copy karam. Let's do the picture formatting part, and after that, let's do the column layout. And after that, let's complete the table part, and then like proofreading. That part we can complete. Okay, I'll take a new file. Right, let's insert a picture. I'm going to insert a picture there. So when you insert a picture, when you insert a picture, so there is a new new menu appearing there, and that is called the picture format menu. You can insert picture by going to the picture, then picture from file, picture from file, or you can browse internet. Picture from file, or you can browse the internet. Okay, I'm going to insert a picture here. You can insert any picture that you like, but I'm going to insert one from here. What's this? Okay, let's insert this picture. Right, when a picture is inserted, you can see the picture format menu appearing. These are called dynamic menus. Dynamic menu then picture format in. When you insert a picture, when you insert a picture, the formatting menu appears. The second one, right? Picture from file. Online pictures browse karanna puluwan. Oyalage pictures naththam computer ekේ you can go and browse online pictures, right? Let's go to the desktop, and you can see here I'm browsing, getting this picture. Which one I got? Previous documents. Yes, this one. Today I'm not well today, but I will try my level best to continue, right? I will only do 1 hour. It's very, very difficult to talk. Okay. Then in this picture format menu, when you click picture format menu appears, you can do various things. Like you can remove the background. Already this is the background, so no need to remove that. But if it is like picture like this, the background remove meaning. Okay, let's take a picture of a person. It's me this time. And if I want to remove the background, I can click here, remove background. That will automatically detect the background, and if I apply this, you can see the background is now removed. I can move the picture here and there, and it is transparent because background is removed. If you think that background, like the background remove, if you want to keep that, you can select, right? Remove background here. Key areas to keep. Then I can mark this area. Areas to keep. I can mark these flowers. Okay, and I just need this. You can select that as well. Now both this stamp and this me and everything will be appearing. Click apply changes, and you can see it appears. The advantage is like if I put this somewhere, the picture if you want to move this picture here and there in the screen, you have to go to the wrap text and then use maybe behind the text or in front of the text. Easy in front of the text. With the background in front of the text. Then you can move this picture to anywhere that you like. Okay, where's this? Okay. You can move this picture to anywhere that you like. So how to ensure that the background is removed? If you put maybe if you put a color, I have to copy. If you put a color to this page, let's go to the design and put a page color. Then you can see through the, right? You can see through this background. Then you can ensure that background is removed. Then what may transparent remove. So now actually, no, unlike earlier days, now word processing software are capable of editing pictures also. Ne? Isara word processing කියන්නේ වචන විතරයි. Only the words. You can type words, edit words, bold, format words. But now actually a word processing software can do more. Even it can edit pictures. Okay, you can edit pictures. Go to the picture format menu, remove background, we'll do that. And then, so what else? Other than removing the background, you can format this. You can increase the brightness and change the contrast. Contrast can color separation. When the contrast is high, you can see the color separation or the color gap will be very, very high. But when the contrast is low, the color gap will be very low. But you have to keep intermediate contrast. Not the very high contrast, not a very low contrast, but intermediate one will be better. Very high contrast කියොත් අපි මේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔය projector වල මම දැකලා තියෙනවා when I go to some schools, their projector they use the maximum contrast. Then sometimes backgrounds cannot be seen properly. හරියට පින්තූරවත් පේන්නේ නැහැ මොකද උඩරිම contrast එක දාලා තියෙනවා. So when you are use intermediate contrast, don't use the maximum contrast. Okay, then you can add different colors like this. You can add different colors, and also you can add different colors. Not only that, you can add different artistic effects like oil paint. ඒ වගේ effects උත් පුළුවන්. You can see a watercolor, oil paint. Those effects are also there. Okay. Watercolor, oil paint effects are also there. And then you can actually add transparency to transparency කියන්නේ විනිවිද පේන භාවය. එතකොට මේකෙන් අර watermark කරද්දී එහෙම සාමාන්‍ය. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි paragraph එකක් ලියුවොත් equal RAND equal RAND will type a paragraph. Now this is watermark, right? Watermark means paragraph is also visible, image is also visible. You call this a watermark. දියසලකුණු කියලා සිංහලෙන් කියන watermark. Watermark means maybe you can put your logo there. You can put a name, copyright text, or your ownership can be displayed. Logo, ownership can be displayed there. That's watermark. Okay. To that you need the transparency. So let's make it like opaque and here. But if you make it transparent, you will see through it. This is too. Now you can see through the picture. That is what the transparency is. Okay, now this is basically how the picture format menu works. And not only that, you have many other options. What are they? You can make it appear in 3D. Here, you can go to the quick styles and like add borders, different things are there. Here you can see, you can rotate and show this as a 3D thing. Add in borders, decorations, everything possible. Not only that, you can make it appear in like 3D shape. Yeah. You can see 3D like look. Maybe a book cover. You can show it in a 3D way. Here there are more options. You can just go and see 3D rotations are there. You can like this. And you can add borders or outlines. Alter text කියලා කියන්නේ in case if image is not displayed, what should be displayed? Maybe you can say image එක පෙනුනේ නැත්නම් කාවද පෙන්වන්න. You can show this is picture of Dasun Nilanjana. That is what the alternative text is. In case where the picture is not appearing, then this alternative text appears. Or when you move on top of the picture, this alternative text appears. Or it will be displayed in the bottom. Text wrap එකෙන් තමයි අපිට අර එහෙම අරන් යන්න පුළුවන්. You can make it like square wrapping, type wrapping, true wrapping, behind the text කියන text එකට පිටිපස්සෙන් in front of the text. It is basically in front of this. and then bring it forward, send it backward. All these things are there. You can crop it. That means you can take only a part of picture. Maybe you need face only. Then you can crop it like this. Okay. So likewise, you can do various edits to your picture. That is the picture menu. Okay, I will give you a very simple exercise to you to do. You can try this as a homework. So let me share that now. Just give me 1 minute. And Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Even though it is a word processing software, you can do the image manipulation. Just try to do this one if possible. That means you need to find 3 or 4 pictures. This is basically a hall and sky and this beach picture. And there is island. Try to manipulate this image. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Or this image. This image. Or wait. So you can maybe try to do, no, this is too heavy. Okay, this image you can see here. The image in the right side, right? A balloon, frog, a butterfly, and a book. This is a complex manipulation, but try to do that. Okay. The third one is this. The third is this. Or try to do this. Right? 3 things I have displayed, but do this as a homework, send it to the WhatsApp, right? Do this as a homework, send it to the WhatsApp. Okay, these 3 activities try to do using, not using Photoshop, don't use Photoshop, just use MS Word, Microsoft Word. You can do that. Now, I have even, it's possible. Okay, let's go back to the MS Word and let's see what are the other possibilities. You know how to add a header and footer easily. So in order to add the header, this gray color area is the ruler side. You can double click on there and you can see the header appearing. When you add some text, so it will appear in other pages as the header text. Here's some text gray, but appearing in other pages. So only one page. How to insert a new page? Can you tell me a shortcut? Shortcut එක මොකක්ද පුතේ? අලුත් page එකක් ගන්න. Adding a new page. What is the shortcut?
Control N.
Control Enter. Control N එකෙන් එන්නේ document එකක්. අලුත්. හරිද? document එකක් නෙවෙයි අලුත් page එකක් නෙවෙයි. Control එකයි Enter එකයි. Control and Enter will give you a new page and you can see the header text appearing there. Control Enter, another new page, header text appearing there as well. But whatever you put in the header is appearing in all the pages. Even if you put an image, it will appear in all the pages. So let's put an image there, insert a picture, and this time picture from file. Okay, if you add this to the header text, then header how to add this? You can see this gray color area. Just double click here. That is the easiest way. Just double click on the gray color area, or you can go to insert menu. There you can see header and footer. Insert menu, you can see the header and footer there as well. Okay, let's add the picture to the header. I'm going to cut this picture. Control X to cut. Double click. Control V to paste it here. Now it is in the header section. So let's reduce the size of image. And I need to move the image to this side. So I need to use picture format and the wrapping. So let's say behind the text. Now I can move it somewhere. I'm keeping it here. But in the header section, you can see header enabled, keep it in the header section. After that, double click here, and you can see picture appearing in each page as it is applied in the header section. මෙතන double click කරලා දාපු හින්දා එතන දාපු එක හැම page එකකම appear වෙනවා. It's appearing in all the pages as the header image. You can put a logo there, right? Then the logo will appear in each page. Whatever you put in the header will be duplicate and applied in other pages too. Header එකේ දානවා අර duplicate වෙවි අනිත් pages වලට apply වෙනවා. That is the nature. Footer also the same. When you double click there in the gray area in the bottom, it's the footer. Or you can go to insert footer, and you can add like page numbers, various things like page numbers, copyright notes, different things in the footer, maybe decoration, images, something like this. Okay, just a figure. And I just need to add a number also. Let's add the page number there. Page numbers, and I just need that to be added right side. Okay, click okay. Now you can see the page number also. Let's move the square to here. You can like place it anywhere, right? But you need to word wrap and place it. Like double click, and you can see now each page has a page number here, and with the decoration. Okay, try header and footer also. You have 2 minutes to try this picture formatting header and footer. Today I'm doing little faster. I said that I'll be finishing little earlier, right? Doing little faster as I'm not there. So try to do this within 2 minutes. Adding header, adding footer. How to write random text? Equal RAND, open bracket, close bracket, will give, press enter, will give a random text. You can put a number there to get a given number of, like you can get a specific number of paragraphs by putting a number there. Let's say you put 5. You will get 5 paragraphs. Then if you put 2,5, you will get 5 paragraphs each with, 2,5, you will get 2 paragraphs each with 5 lines. 2,1, 2 paragraphs each with 1 line. 1 line paragraph. Okay, likewise, you can customize the rand, and also you can use lorem also. Lorem. That will also give the placeholder text. Lorem 5 will give 5, and lorem 5,4 will give 5 lines each, 5 sentences, 5 paragraphs each with 4 lines. So lorem or and you can use. And you can double click to select a word. 1, 2, 3, triple click to select the paragraph. Double click to select the word. Triple click to select a paragraph. Now do these things quickly. 2 minutes remaining. Then column layout. It's easy. Select the text, and here you can select. Not here. You can see the layout. There you can select the number of columns. This also we have discussed last day. Select the number of columns, it appears there. Okay, what else? Tables. Just create this table now. I will give this as an exercise. This is for a web page, but let's try to create this. Web page using MS Word. I just need to create this web page using MS Word. Okay, I need a simple one, not too complex. It should be simple and should have merges as well. Okay, let's do that. So here actually they have advised you to create this using CSS, and no need to do that. Just try to do this. Just try to do that using MS Word, Microsoft Word. This one. Just do it using Microsoft Word. Tables. Use a table. Again, you have 5 minutes to complete this. Use a table and try to do this. Use these same colors also. Okay, those who have tried now can complete the activity. You have to go to the insert menu, table, then take count the number of columns. One, it seems there are like altogether 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So I'm going to insert the 4 column, 4 rows table, 4 by 4, 16. Okay, then I'm going to format this as the given table. Please do that. The first thing that I can advise you, you can see header, all 4 are merged. So you can select 1, 2, 3, 4. Right click and merge it. Merge cells. Right click, merge cells. Then type header there. After that, what you can do is you can select that, go to the home, center align it, increase the font size by few steps, change the background color of this particular cell to blue, and change the font color of this to white. Your first task is done. Later, let's add the borders, but first of all, without the borders, let's try to do this. Borders can also be added. But before that, let's complete the activity this way. And you can see there is a gap, a lead-in gap, padding gap. What you can do is when you move to this, you will get this double-headed arrow. Can you see this? This is called double-headed arrow. Then click double-headed arrow. Then click and drag. You will be given a chance to resize. That is when the double-headed arrows are. And you can vertically align, you can vertically increase the line height. If it is too, you can put a add space before paragraph and add space after paragraph if you want. Or you can just keep it as it is. Anything that preferred. Please complete the activity now. Now you know what to do. Please complete now. 2 more minutes can be, like I will extend time by 2 more. Raise your hand once you're done. Anybody like to share? Javiru, කැමතිද share කරන්න? Shavani? Yes? If you like, I can give the chance. Please raise your hand if you like to share. No one? Senuka? Okay. Okay, Shamin, you can. Yes, Shamin. Please share. You were using drawings, the shapes. Yes, you have used the shapes. My expectation was tables. That doesn't matter. It's appearing the shape, but try karanna ona table link karanna. Okay, this is good, but need to use tables. Okay, let's go back. How it looks like. A side, aside, article, image, image, image. 1, 2, 3 are there. Here, 3 are merged. Here, let's do the mergers. First, here, these 2 are merged. These 3 are merged. Article. Side. Both you need to make center line. Increase the height. Three images. Let's put the colors. Color. It's the fill image, right? Sorry, fill color is blue. This fill color is orange. More red. Font is white. Increase the font size. Three images in gray color. Sorry. It's really difficult to talk. Image, image, image. White color font, center line, increase the font size. Okay. Footer. Merge them all. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Right click, merge cells, and it will be the footer for this. Let's make it center aligned. The fill color is light blue again. Light blue again. This fill color. Font color is white. Okay, we have done. Only thing is the borders. Click on this. Change here. We can see the borders. Go to the borders and shading here. Click on the borders icon. Borders and shading. Then select some heavy border. And also the border color you can change. The border color you can change it to anything that you like, maybe say red color borders, orange color, right? This is orange color, blue color borders. Okay, and now you can see the blue color borders are appearing there. ඒක තියෙන්නේ blue නෙමෙයි නේද? දාලා තියෙන මාක් කරේ pink, මොනවාද purple, red දෙකේ මාක් කරේ color එකක් තියෙනවා. Borders and shading, going back, and you can see this color need to be changed. This one, I guess. Okay. ඊටත් වැඩි light එකක්. Plus on shading, some light color. Go to more colors, make it lighter. Okay, okay. Done. I think everything is okay except the lines here. Except the lines here. This need to be centered and this need to be centered. Okay, this is how you do it this is how you do it using tables. Practice it and practice harder. Then how can you save? Like you can make it full screen, or by removing the borders you can just keep this somewhere here and like make it larger and appearing in the full screen. Spread a little. Okay, something like this. Here, this side also you can increase. Okay. Make it little larger, otherwise it's very difficult to So, I guess it's done now. If the line size is not enough, go there and you can just go to borders and shadings. And here you can add a custom value, no, maximum is 6, right? It doesn't matter. Okay, let's keep it. Like how to save this, and when you're saving this, please select, go to the file menu, save as, and then select HTML filtered website or HTML. Like you can save it HTML filtered here, website filter or web page. The filtered one will be HTML only, but if you use web page, it use Microsoft HTML, MHTML as well. Let's save as website filter, header.html, document, save it, and yes, you need to convert it. And then when you go there, documents, you will see this as a web page. Okay, you'll see this as a web page. You right click, go to view page source, you will see HTML appearing there. HTML and CSS. And there are TD table data. Right? You can see table data appearing, and the table is also there. That will be automatically converted. TR, TD. Here the table is automatically converted. How to get that? Right click, view page source. So if you need again the full screen when you save as the web page, make it full screen on now. You can reduce the size and then you can increase the size of table 2500. Drop it downwards to this can be done, right? This can be done. Let's save it. Yes, as HTML. Go there, refresh the page, and you can see it's appearing to the entire string. Oh, it's too much. Now you have to reduce the size. Maybe you can show around 1000. These things you can change accordingly. Let's see it now, save it, and yes, save it, refresh. It's better, but still not perfect. Like you can slowly change the sizes and get the correct size. I guess the correct size is around, depend on the screen as well. But 900 or 1000 would be ideal for this. Save it, okay. A little more. Okay, try to add images, content, and create a web page this way by using tables. Use the tables, try to create this kind of web page. You can add content also. This is only the layout. මොකුත්ම දැම්මේ නැහැ, text දාලා images දාලා layout එකක් විදිහට හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, try to complete this as a homework. I'll stop from here for today. Try to complete this as a homework, and this is the outcome of this page. Maybe you can reduce like header is there, a side article is there, then these columns are there, then the message, the footer is there. Footer is too lengthy. Foot is too lengthy and introduce. These things can be controlled, right? These things can be easily controlled, so don't worry much. These things can be easily controlled. Let's save it, and you can. It's a matter of just writing notes, resizing the code. Now you can see the header, footer, both are appearing. These can be easily changed. Okay, I will stop from here. Then let's see you all next week. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.